In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to erase here in Kittl. Now, one thing to quickly note, and that is, you can't use the erase tool on a free account. You either need a pro plan or one of the above. So please keep that in mind as well. Now I have this image just here. That's actually from this, which I cropped and removed the background. But I want to erase these parts just here. Now this is actually really easy to do. All we have to do is click onto the image and then we can come to the top bar just here where it says eraser. Now if we click on there, we can then go ahead and erase part of the image. Now over here on the right hand side, we can increase the brush size as well, making it easier to erase parts of the image. But as you can see, it's actually really easy to do. And once you've done, you simply click done, and now that part of the image has been erased. Now you can also click onto the three dots and come to the eraser tool just there, and or click onto the image, right click, and find it just here as well. Now we can also use the keyboard shortcut as well, but you have to click onto the image first. So if we click, then press E on the keyboard, is going to bring up the eraser tool just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to erase here in Kittl. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.